I'm live. So as promised, we're joined by junior chess champion Khalil Bartlett and his coach, Mr. Shane Matthews, who at first I thought was really strict, but him seemed like him cool, so I'm gonna learn something. And they're here to talk to us about Khalil's journey and just the love of the game chess and how to play. Hello. How are you?
I'm good, miss.
Wonderful.
Miss, yes.
You go, Doctor.
Khalil, when did you start loving this game? When did you fall in love?
Well, the first time I remember that I played chess was when I was 3 years old.
3?
Yes.
What?
3. So who introduced you to it at 3?
Well, it was my mom. My mom introduced me to chess. I was at Mona and I saw like a club called Chess Club. And I felt interested and I asked my mom, hey, can I do this club after school? And she said, sure. And ever since that day, I fell in love with the game.
And here you are, junior chess champion. So you've played in many tournaments and you've traveled a lot. So could you tell us some of the tournaments that you've won and maybe some of the places you've traveled to?
Well, so far, I traveled to 2 places this year. I've been to Orlando and I won a competition, puzzle competition for the open section.
Nice.
And I also competed in the Pan American Chess Championships. And I also went to El Salvador this month. And I tied for 5th place. And I almost got the medal and the
open competition, it's not just limited to age, right?
No, not.
He won the puzzle competition for under 16 at just 11 years old.
Under 16?
Yes.
11?
Under 16.
Under 16.
Yeah, okay, so you're good?
Work it out.
So Khalil, question now. So at your age, what do you think you have learned about life as you have learned to play chess? Is there any lesson you think it brings out so far?
Yes, as a matter of fact, it brings out a lot of lessons because chess helps you to plan ahead in later life. Because just in case, it can give you a backup, a plan for specific things, and just in case those plans doesn't work out, you can always have a backup plans. And it also taught me about optimism and confidence because even though a specific position looks quite bad or you're losing, can always find a way no matter what, just like in life.
High five. I love you.
Well said.
If Khalil is so bright,
Yes.
then imagine the coach, the Zen master. Tell us a little bit about how you met Khalil and where do you see him in the future, near future and long term?
Okay, so Khalil, when he was about 6 years of age, was being coached by someone else who had actually contacted me to assist in some coaching of a number of children. So I was working with that coach and I recognized how special that Khalil was. And eventually Khalil came under my wing and I started coaching Khalil. With my years of experience, he has won the under-8 national title when he was 8 years old.
Wow.
And he won the under-10 online division as well. And he came tied for second in this year's under-12 national championship.
Genius level stuff that, Congrats.
Yeah. But with his recent performances in these overseas events, and we have a big program called the Jamaican 10 program. I'm hoping that Khalil would be part of that core group. And I see Khalil as becoming a master at master level within a few short years.
Wow.
With a lot of sports, they often have an expiry age. Like for track and field, once you're like maybe 32, you're going downhill. For chess, there really isn't.
There isn't. As a matter of fact, I'll use myself as an example. I got my international master title. There's only 2 masters with that title in Jamaica.
Oh.
And I got mine at 54 years of age.
Congrats.
So this will show that he has many years
Yes.
in this sport.
Yes. So coach. Sometimes chess can seem a little daunting to those who don't know or understand it. You're here. So what is the objective of the game and why should somebody learn to play chess?
Okay, so first of all, the objective of the game is to be able to plan ahead and try to checkmate your opponent's king. So there's a lot of tactics, strategy, and technique involved. Now, for your second question, chess is a critical thinking game, and it will enhance these very characteristics in our young people. Some of the schools are having chess clubs as part of an extracurricular activities.
Right.
And I think this is very important because as part of the JCF, Jamaica Chess Federation's goal is to develop young minds.
Lovely.
And chess is just the ideal remedy to get that.
Wait, no, where you going?
I love that because, Coach, with all of that, right, it is great that you're here and Khalil is here. Whoops, because,
We're leaving?
right, the next thing is we have to teach planning ahead and strategy, no matter the age, right, Coach?
Of course.
Right, so Duffy is going to switch seats with me so that Khalil can take him to a quick game, right? A quick game, remember? Just a one thing, the idea is don't threaten him. Checkmate, okay? So speak through the steps, go. What's the first thing?
So there are plenty of moves that white can make.
You can start.
A personal move is e4.
No, that's something. This not look good. This not look safe.
No look safe.
This not look safe at all.
No look safe. May I leave?
G6.
It no look safe.
To have bad. And so
That's what?
D4 for the control the center and get the pawn file.
The controller center.
Control the center.
Yeah, me like for the.
Khalil, feel free to talk louder so that our audience can hear you putting Duffson in place, you know. Feel free. Quickly.
Alright, since you're going to knight f6 isn't a bad move, it develops the pieces and attacks the e-pawn. So I'm going to develop my knight to protect it and also to create the Lasker 6 moves. Lasker 6 moves.
I haven't played this in so long, man.
In the meantime, Coach, are you open to taking more students or do they have to go through a particular process?
I am taking on students, but I do have quite a bit of local and international students. But yes, we do take on students from time to time because at the end of the day, we're trying to develop as many.
All right, so is there a social media handle that you don't mind sharing in case anybody wants to get in touch with you for some guidance as to how to learn to play?
Well, I could share my contact information.
Okay, go right ahead if you don't mind.
Yes, well, again, I am International Master Shane Matthews, and I am at 876-844-8299.
Beautiful. All right. So, in the meantime, who is winning? Who is winning?
Khalil has a very good position.
Yes, it looks like.
If you see his pieces,
we're wrapping it up.
I'm seeing more of Khalil's pieces coming up here. Right around here. So,
please remember to check on your loved ones and support the community. Thanks for tuning in. We're wrapping the show on now. We're wrapping the show.
Because I'm a lose, yes. So we're back on Tuesday with much more buzz, chat, vibe, and mix. And even though we're enjoying being outside, you're here, so the rates are go up. So please ensure that you stay safe, protect yourself, stay healthy, and check out Distinction College for them September cohort for 2024, okay? Give yourselves a round of applause. I love it. Khalil Bartlett, our junior chess champion, is beating